Hi guys, welcome to Grape Juice Gaming. In this video, I am going to show you how to update your Windows software. So let's start. First, open settings and click on update and security. And then you should check for updates. My PC is up to date, so there is no update for me. If there is any error occurred, you should go to services and it will take some time to load. Yeah, it's open, and there you should search for Windows Update. Here is it. You should you should not disable it. You should keep it in manual and click on apply and OK. Then close it and again go to settings and check for updates. Your problem will be solved.